Hey guys, Krypton God here, back again with another video, and well, as you can tell by the title, you already know what's happening. So it's dark. I have a Zippo lighter here. Probably hard to see it. It's a Zippo. It's warm. I've been going through like practice runs and everything. So I'm pretty much gonna start a new series with slow motion stuff, because I figured that I could do slow-mo stuff with my GoPro and the quality is pretty good. So without further ado, we're gonna do slow-mo stuff with fire. I love fire, so we're gonna play with fire, I guess. And it's gonna be slow motion and basically a Zippo lighting on fire and sparking in slow motion. So here we go, and I don't know what kind of music I'm gonna have, but YOLO.
Clouds, a light emerges from beneath the sand. The instant it miracles seem so far away. Across the universe, she lives another day. I know the reason she's hate. I know the reason she's so far away. I know the reason she's hate. I know the reason she's so far away. How could we run from everything we have done? It only takes us one more step to fall. How could we run from everything we have done? It only takes us one more step. How I know the reason she's hate. How I know the reason she's so far away. How I know the reason she's hate. How I know the reason she's
Alright guys, I guess if I slow that down, it might be like 5 minutes, I'm not even sure. But hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, that'll be it. I didn't know what else to upload, so you're welcome. Alright guys, peace out.